In today's video I want to show you how you can embed your Base44 app into the WordPress. So now this is really easy, and the first step is that you want to ask Base44 for the iframe code, and then you want to copy it. You want to go to posts in the WordPress, then click on add post. And from here you want to click on this plus button to add custom HTML. So you want to choose custom HTML, then edit HTML and paste the link here. And now we need to replace this src link. So first I will remove the old one like this. And you want to go back to Base44 and you want to publish your app. So click on publish your app. And now you just want to copy this URL of your app and paste it here in those quotation marks. And this is how it's going to look like. If you click on update, it's going to pop up here, and this is how you can embed it. And if you are getting this message that iframe tag is not supported on this site, this means that you need to have paid plan. So if you open this support guide and you will scroll over here, as you can see, to add following text, you will need to have paid plan, and there is the iframe. So if you have paid plan, you are not going to have this error, and you can also try to use it. So I will try to use it if it is working. It works. So this is how you can embed your Base44 app into the WordPress. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.